Hello, Clarinets. It's Mr. Cronin, and let's go ahead and do our warm-ups for the week of April 6th, which this is going to include our long tone number one, our Remington number one, and our flexibilities number one, all from our fundamental warm-ups number two. And so we will be starting out with long tone number one. I'm going to check the key signature before I perform. I see no sharps, no flats, key of C, and so that's good. I know my note G, I know my note A. We had just learned our note B or B natural. Remember, this is not a B flat, so you will want to review your pages 46, 47. This is not a B flat, so do not play it as a B flat. Requires your right hand and left hand pinkies. We know our note high C, and then our note high E. If any of these last notes, measures 5 and 6, 7 and 8, or measure 9 needs a little review, please visit pages 46 and 47 in your book to find the B, third line of the staff, C, third space of the staff, and E, fourth space of the staff. I'm going to go ahead and play this very steady and very slow. The goal is to control my sound from beginning to end. My metronome is on 60 beats per minute. Long tone one, and here we go. Okay, and that went really, really well. Let's move on to our Remington number one. Now in our Remington number one, again, I'm going to check my key signature, and I see no sharps, no flats, key of C, and I like that. I do want to check a couple of notes here that I might have to review fingerings on page 46 or 47, and that is in measure 20 and F sharp. In measure 22, this is not a new note. This is our F natural. They're reminding us with a courtesy accidental that it's not to be played F sharp again. In measure 26, I have the note E flat. And in measure 30, I have the note C sharp. So I would want to review on pages 46 and 47 the fingerings for F sharp, E flat, and C sharp to play this Remington. This time I have tongues and slurs, and I want to aim for a very steady sound. Metronome again on 60 beats. Remington number one. Okay, one of the things you may have noticed if you were really watching along there is that I actually had to breathe out between measures 28 and 29 because I had too much stale air built up. So if you feel too much stale air building up, breathe out before breathing in. All right, and lastly, we're going to go to our flexibility number one. And again, I'm going to check my key signature here. No sharps, no flats, key of C. And with this flexibility, what I'm seeing is a pattern where I need to add a register key to get from the lower note to the upper note, from the C up to the G. Now, if you've forgotten the fingering of that G, and you're at all concerned about it, you might review on pages 46 and 47. What you're going to find is the trick to this flexibility is that to change notes, all we should have to do is add the register key to go to the higher note. Okay, so this is flexibility number one. Again, 60 beats per minute, staying very steady in my sound. Flexibility number one. Okay, and you heard even Mr. Cronin made a little chirp in there on the first note. My thumb didn't move fast enough on the register key. So the clarinet squeaked. I was leaking for a second. All right, have fun with your long tone number one, your Remington number one, your flexibility number one, and I hope to see everyone at our Zoom meeting.